Hi everybody, my name's Michelle. I'm from Vancouver Island in British Columbia, Canada, and I'm just a 45-year-old mom who didn't know anything about crypto at all. And in fact, I was a little nervous because I had been scammed and I needed information about what crypto is, how to manage it, and how not to lose money. So I found the Zero to Hero course by Bernie and Joachim at Kitching Secrets, and boy am I glad that I took it. It's totally worth the money. It gave me a sense of confidence, and not only that, it gave me the technical tools and knowledge that I needed from going from like no information and not even understanding, how it worked, through how to use wallets and what exchanges were and how to do actual trades. So I highly recommend this as a boot camp for people who have no experience and want to understand, protect themselves, but also take advantage of the opportunity that is crypto. So thank you, Joachim, and thank you, Bernie, for putting this together, and hopefully you'll all join me and we'll see you in the community. Take care. Bye.